safety managers to keep us safe. And then we have Eshan making us crane go back, up, down, and back and forth. And we also have our detacher and attacher, Naira. She's going to attach our crane with this to our module. So what do you think what these are? Well, these are our modules going to go. So first we have zone 2 and zone 3. That's zone 1 and zone 4. So then we're only going to go zone 2 and zone 3. Zone 2, we have 2 circles over here. And then we have an obstacle over here. So our crane has to go over the obstacle and go over here to this rectangle in zone 3.
Also, these are like the locations, like the construction sites.
Hi, I'm Arohi, and I'm gonna tell you about our structure of our crane. We have our crane system, pulley system, and our Lazy Susan. I'll start with the Lazy Susan. Our Lazy Susan is what makes our crane go this way, right side or left side, 360 degrees. And to use indirect touch, since in real life we cannot move a crane while touching it, we use the crank system. There are pulleys to make this move, to make it move smoothly. Then there are pulleys up above here to make the
house.
Yeah, the housing module move left to right or forward and backwards. And there's a pulley system here to lower the housing module or pick up the housing module. And yeah, that's really it. And there's Hanish, who's the safety manager, and he's going to talk about some of the rules of safety.
As safety manager, you have to make sure that nobody is touching the wood without gloves. Nobody's touching the tower or the boom without gloves because it's made out of wood, which could cause splinters. And while we were making the crane, we made sure that we had goggles so that the wood chips won't get in our eyes. And we can't. And also we also make sure that the boom does not go too close to out of the entire rig, and so it doesn't hit anybody on the head. And also we put the yellow tape so that if anybody accidentally touches the edges, then it would. So we put the yellow tape so that nobody can touch if the edges don't hurt. And that's it.
Now I'm Eshan. I'm talking about the controller. So this is our controller. It can move up, down, and or this. So really we have a circuit here, and then with that circuit it's connected to 2 batteries with 2 batteries in each case. And then it's used to move up, down, and this. The way we do that is, this is a radio controller, or RC. So here there's a white antenna, and then here there's also a white antenna. So with both those white antennas, they communicate and they make a working crane that can move. The way we did it is we got motors from an RC controller kit, and then we also got this from the kit, and then we combined them together, and then we got it. We also have these wheels here, if you were wondering, and they're not for moving it, they're actually for balancing it, otherwise it don't fall off. And now we have our amazing attacher and detacher, Naira.
So, since obviously we aren't in the tech challenge right now, and we only have one module, we are only going to use this one. But in the tech challenge, we are going to have 2 pairs of these cartoons, and me and Pave are going to put it on the hooks as soon as the time starts.
By the way, the time we have is 4 minutes and 30 seconds to do them all. And that's the tagline. The tagline is used for like making sure to stabilize it, so if it doesn't fall apart.
This is our
Wait, I'm not finished. on is that we have these, and we're gonna put it here. For these two are gonna be for zone 2, and we are gonna have these ones with 4 for zone 3, because the zone 3 will be harder.
Another what? Yeah.
So here's Hanish. He's going to be the controller right now. So he controlled it. So Naira was just hooking it. So she just hooked it there. And then now Hanish is moving it. So she's doing it to this so it doesn't go all the way far. And then we don't waste time with moving it up and down. So first we'll do this pink one, just a way to tell.
And
We have these cool ways to discuss, like control towards me, towards you, left, right, and yeah, up, down.
I am the crane, I moved the crane 360 degrees, like how I explained. I used the Lazy Susan to do that. Normally, we will have 3 of these modules, but since right now we only have 1, I'm going to keep putting it back here. And we'll just imagine that the module is there. Alicia's lowering.
So Alicia's gonna lower it. It's gonna take a little time. But yeah, Naira's now gonna hook it. And then we're now doing this red one over here.
In the where's the step?
Directive.
The tech challenge.
Okay, we're gonna go
We're
to
going
the
to
red one today. Right now.
For now, it's red.
Do the tech.
Right now.
And the
then
real tech challenge you would have
There's more black.
For zone 2.
So now it's zone 3 time, which is my part.
That's not a.
The whole crane moves
Now
by
this is
using
good.
indirect
Yeah.
touch, meaning I don't just touch the crane.
Down.
I use the indirect touch by using threads and
Because
thread system.
Because
Stop.
we can't move it with the real challenge.
And we
Because real cranes, how will you move it with your hand?
we tried to use a boom rule before, but that kind of failed because we are kind of touching it. So
We're gonna go a little bit more.
So
we're going.
the
above
reason
the
we're
obstacle.
ducking like this is so we can see the angle exactly.
And don't
So
forget, we do have an obstacle over there. Stop.
And once we touch the obstacle, we have to
Restart every single thing.
No, not every single thing, just the module.
Oh, okay, thanks. So now,
So now we try to align it.
Aroki, can you come towards me a little bit more? Stop.
She can slowly move it if I
Eshan, go towards you.
So towards me would be base.
Stop.
We usually have Kaveh only talking because she's the director. And see.
So now we will be doing the game. So here with me, Eshan will be playing the game. So its link is shivansharma.github.io/Eshan/crane.html. So here it'll take you here. Amazing. So I'll select 4th and 5th grade. Can change the views. It'll be different for a computer. You'll get to use keyboard and mouse, so it's easier. You can grab it, it's too high, you can hook it. Hook it goes down. If you hit it, we try a fail, do 4th and 5th. So here, we'll go here. Hook, we'll grab, we'll hit here. We only have 4 minutes like the real challenge. It used to be it, but it changed. So yeah, it's different now, but this is the best way to train. It's just like a crane. In the comments, if you try to timestamp this, both of the places, it will be amazing. So everybody else can timestamp it, and then they can see the parts they need and can compare the cranes. And also, please tell the differences. Thank you. So see how here, I'll grab it. It says model grab. I'll change my view here. So we go. So here we'll go down. We'll hook and then we'll drop it. But that's not exact. So we'll grab it again. You have to do it again and then grab. then that means we can do this one properly. So here, if I'll grab that, I'll